Wagwan family, welcome back to the 876 Zone TV. It's me, Anisha, and the video that I'll be doing today is a bounty killer, Benz and Bimma. You don't know, so we now waste no time. Without further ado, guys, let's go into the video. Let's do this. Play tune.
Don't even sample this. Don't amount shit. Boy, them yellow look like some Benz and some Lexus and some Bimma. Like the cheap of them car. You tell them, so them need a good plumber. With a autumn, winter, spring or summer. None of them shit.
Lord mercy.
Bad bounty killer, and them should know. Them us. Well. Tell them have the face, and them have the figure.
Yo, what about you say? The girl them say they need a good plumber. But yeah.
Remind me of the Benz and the Lexus and the Bimma. To have this girl will be my pleasure. She's so precious like the gold living on me treasure. Again, tell them of the face and them of the figure. Remind me of the Benz and the Lexus and the Bimma. To have this girl will be my pleasure. She's so precious like the diamond in my treasure. And then me say, the girl them make me body tense. Them look like some Lexus, some Bimma and some Benz. Of good but the girl me want to feature me hands. They look like some boy need some contact lens. Boy you chase the girl them while them me up the friend. Well woman is a must and I pretend me a pretend boy ya.
The girl they make me body tense. Bars.
Like star me girl knocks him from pen. Style it up me girl them some we just scatter. Muggle with the shape and make the funk get swell. Me girl the nasty blow you never get sell. The killer said, what if I'm style Michelle? Me say, girl them have the face and them have the figure. Remind me of the Benz and the Lexus and the Bimma. To have this girl would be my pleasure. She's so precious like the gold living on me treasure. And then me said, look when the girl them share with
Pop style Michelle. Yo, bars.
the face and the girl them roll like a queer. Just right don't have no intention for real. Try hearts and get no force and dirt. Things like that when I go appreciate you move. Any girl mountain so long say what fear. You miss a one whole of Africa on the whole topic. You make them sunshine. Me say, girl them on the face and them on the figure. Remind me of the Benz, the Lexus and the Bimma. To have this girl would be my pleasure. She's so precious like the gold.
Pause. Hey, let us appreciate the black and white quality of this video. You know, vintage. You know, but this look like Bounty in our go-go club. Sorry, it look like in our go-go club. We don't know if I want it, you know, but the vintage. If our go-go club, you know, the vintage black and white making it look like our go-go club, you know. Hate you.
And then you said, tell them of the face, and them of the figure. Remind me of the Benz and the Lexus and the Bimma. To have this girl would be my pleasure. She's so precious like the gold, I mean, I'm a treasure. And then me said, this is a straight statement. The girl them look so good, them look like a horn event. See things we keep with first class street rent. Chin soft and smooth, need no ointment. Them intelligent with a smooth accent. Them dress formal, true, them well decent. Generosity of
Is this a go-go club? Tell me if this not look like go-go club too, no? Play.
holy patience. And when them in the code, they can't stand up themselves. Then me say, them have the face and them have the figure. Remind me of the Benz, the Lexus and the Bimma. To have this girl would be my pleasure. She's so precious like the gold. I mean, I'm a treasure. The killer said, the girl them make me body tense. Them look like some Lexus, some Bimma and some Benz. Good body girl me want to feature me hands. Me wonder if some punk need some contact.
Pause. Why is it that men associate women with car? How? How that relate? How that relate, you know? No one know how men associate women with car. How woman and car? How that register now, no man? You don't make me know in the comment section below. Cause me no know. I always wonder why men as how you know make we relate to car. Explain on yourself. Play it.
From a chase the girl them while of them me a defend. Woman is a must and I pretend me a pretend. Boy you act like star. I chase the girl them. I fight love me girl them some way just get tell. From a go with your ship and make the funk get swell. Me girl you not to blow. Me girl you not sell.
Pause. The man say at them type of girl him want feature him hands. And he look like some boy need some contact lens. So that means say when he's not her paying attention to the woman them the Panonahentians. Yo. Oh, song done. Sure. And just as me I get feel like the song. Sure. Just as the song I get nice. Sure. So there you have it, guys. That is Benz and Bimma. Yeah, Benz and Bimma by Bounty Killer. You don't know. Me like that song, yeah. Yeah. Bounty Killer. Big up yourself. Why may I say that like elephant man? Anyway, guys, thank you for joining me on this video. If you like it, let me know. And if you don't want, send some suggestion of some videos you would like me to do some reaction to, dash them down in the comment section. You see me? Yeah. So once again, thank you guys for joining. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Once again, it's your girl Anisha, and I am out.